In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can insert a vertical line to columns in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So open your document. So I have prepared this one for you and we have three columns. So how can we insert a vertical line on each column right here on the Microsoft Word? So it's just very easy. Simply locate the layout tab on the ribbon and you can find it. Click on that. You'll find here columns. Click on the drop down and here you'll find the option more columns. Click on that and this window will appear and you will find in here a line between. To put a vertical line in between of the columns, simply check it to enable it. And you can also have the preview from here and click on OK. And that's it, okay? So that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.